Okay, so wearing an Apple Watch correctly can enhance your overall experience and make the most of the smartwatch technological advantages. If the Apple Watch is worn incorrectly, then it can alter its sensitivity to read your heart rate signals along other factors and give you wrong data. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to wear an Apple Watch correctly. Apple advises users to wear the Apple Watch with a snug but comfortable fit. If it doesn't feel this way, it's recommended to adjust the band to achieve the desired fit. How to wear it? The key here is to maintain it like a balance, not excessively tight and not overly loose, with enough space for your skin to breathe. Ensures comfort and allows the watch sensors to function effectively. So it's a good practice to tighten your Apple Watch band during workouts and then loosen it slightly a bit when you're done. Now, should the Apple Watch be above or below the wrist bone? Watch enthusiasts recommend wearing an Apple Watch above the wrist bone to enable unrestricted wrist movement and prevent unintentional contact with the crown. With the Apple Watch, positioning it above the wrist offers the added benefit of obtaining more precise heart rate readings. As you can see, if you move it a little bit below, not too tight, this is very loose right now, I need to adjust it a bit more, but if you make it a bit tighter, then as you can see what I said, the crown here, you can do all the movements, as you can see. If you do this, this doesn't really affect it. So we're gonna fix it in this position, right here. Okay, so I'm gonna take it one more. Now, so you can see what I said, you can completely move your wrist. It's free. It feels really comfortable and it doesn't really move. No, it doesn't. It doesn't move, so it's correct. Now it can read your heart rate signals without any problem. You can wear also some things. And yeah, it's pretty okay. Also, if you have like a solo loop or a braided solo loop, the band size should also be comfortable yet snug against your wrist. So when putting it in or taking it off, gently stretch the band from the bottom to accommodate your wrist. It's worth noting that the solo loop may naturally increase length over time. While Apple emphasizes the importance of wearing its smartwatches snugly for optimal performance and tracking, it's equally crucial to consider the comfortable guideline, as I mentioned before. Wearing a watch too tightly can be just as problematic as wearing it too loosely, and may result in issues such as skin irritation or some rashes right here. And right now this feels perfect. Like I said before, you can perfectly move it and you can do literally anything. In summary, the ideal way to wear an Apple Watch is to strike a balance. Make it snug, but avoid making it so tight that it becomes uncomfortable. So thank you for watching this video.